guys, so I'm here at the Tata booth and they have also unveiled the 45X concept. Now this is a concept for a premium hatchback. It will work probably against the likes of the Baleno and the i20. What you can expect from Tata is aggressive pricing. This is a global premiere of the concept. No real official information has been revealed about the 45X, but as you can see, it comes with really unique styling and design, and you can expect it to draw a lot of cues, the production version of this vehicle, to draw a lot of cues from this design concept. Let's close a look at the rear. 45X, that's the name of the concept. Do stay tuned for more live updates from the Auto Expo 2018.